How to turn off profile views on TikTok. You can turn off profile view history in Settings. First, open TikTok on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find Profile Views or Profile View History, or Viewers Only. Tap it and turn off the Profile View History toggle. Once this is disabled, other users will no longer see that you visited their profile. However, you also won't be able to see who viewed your profile. The change applies immediately and does not require saving. And that's it. You've successfully turned off profile views on TikTok, increasing your privacy. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok privacy tips and how-to guides.